shootout scene. Blood looks black on an old TV. John Wayne and John Ford showed our people who to root for. So imagine my surprise just the other day when a white hat cowboy, clean-shaved face, came storming in on the golden rule and blew up in elementary school. Rolling thunder, pouring rain will wash away the guts and brains, but stains stay on the man who kills in the Lord's name. Easter Sunday 2004, we snuck out through an open door. We pedaled our tanks down a gravel road. We stood way back and watched cans explode. Blessed are the poor and meek. Mahogany stock pressed on my cheek. I cursed the heathens and fired the slug in that cherry coke rain blood. Rolling thunder, pouring rain will wash away the growing pains, but stains stay on the man who kills in the Lord's name. Drop a great big bomb on a country wedding. Forget it, roll the credits, the sun is setting. Rolling thunder, pouring rain will wash away the guts and brains, but stains stay on the man who kills in the Lord.